Hello guys, welcome back. Just a couple of little projects for a wet Saturday afternoon here in Oregon. So thanks for all your advice and help. I've got a bit of a floppy Kickstarter here, so I'm going to be fixing that. I've got a spring now. I'm going to try and install that through this inspection cap. So thanks for all your help and advice on the forum. I really appreciate it, and thank you Robert for the spring. So I'm going to be fitting that, also changing the position of the Kickstarter, perhaps so it's just a little bit more vertical, and then changing the position of the gear shift pedal as well. It's a little high. I picked that up when I was on the 100-mile run, so it needs to be just a little further down. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you soon, guys. Okay, the spring is on, and it was a tricky little so-and-so. I actually dropped it a couple of times, or well, more than a couple of times, down into the bottom of the case. Luckily, it's magnetic, so I was able to fish it out with my telescopic magnet. But here's what I did in the end. Lifted the kickstart as high as it would go and wedged it in place. That seemed to line up the poles, the pins for the springs. And then I reached down with the spring using this hook, attached it to the bottom pole, held onto the top ring of the spring with this, and then fed some safety wire in a loop around the top of it because it wouldn't go on the pin at the top while this was still attached. So then with the safety wire attached, I yanked with these pliers and pulled, and then finally leveraged the top ring of the spring onto the top pin with, I forget what I used, I think I used this, just to push it on. And so that's it, it's on, and hopefully it won't come off again.